Hi, my name is Anne-Helene and I'm an occupational therapist and the owner of Baby Steps. Today, I will take you through the exercises that you can do with your baby when you're taking them to the swim center. I hope you will use the exercises and enjoy. So in this exercise, we will be using a pool noodle as support for the baby. We will have the baby lying on top of the pool noodle and swimming on their own. From very early on, we can see that the babies are able to swim on their own if they have a little bit of buoyancy support from a tool of some sort. I'm not a big fan of anything that is attached to the body of the baby, neither the arm wings nor anything attached around their belly and their back. Some swim vests have really good effect on helping the babies and smaller children be more safe in the water, but mostly I'm just a big fan of us being with our babies, with our children, watching them, helping them, supporting them, encouraging them, and not rely on any floating devices. In this exercise, we're using the pool noodle as the device that will help the baby float. Normally, I use this exercise from the babies are 8+ months because then they are starting to be more secure in the water. They're starting crawling around at the house. Maybe they are still just doing the commando crawling, but they are moving around at home and they are being more independent. And we can use this exercise to help them develop their balancing ability and the ability to place themselves in the surroundings that they are located in, helping their brain to process all of the sensory inputs without us making adjustments in the water for them. So this is a really good sensory processing exercise for the baby. So what we will be doing is we will place the pool noodle underneath of the arms around the upper body of the baby, and then we will stand in front of the baby holding their hands so that we can watch each other, we can see each other, we can make expressions to each other, and then we will gently pull the baby around in the pool. In the beginning, we can be the ones controlling the speed and the pacing and the directions that we're swimming. And then all of a sudden we will see that even the little babies start to do some shrimp swimming motions where they are like using both of their legs at one time to get forward in the pool. And as soon as they start doing that, especially if we have toys placed around them, then we can just go over to be more passive and let them move forward in the water because of their movements. And they're quite young when they find out that if they do a motion, if they do an action, it will create a reaction. So I want to do this, I will get this. If they are good at balancing while you're holding both of their hands, you can let go of one hand. If they can do this, you can let go of both of their hands, and then you can just be around them and be ready to catch them if they, like all of a sudden, like babies do, falls into the water. This was a short video with a nice exercise that you can use with your baby the next time you're at the swim center. I hope you will enjoy the exercises and good luck. Bye.